Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be talking about the thank you and delivery page. You're going to notice here that you can put in a thank you page, and what you want to think about is what you want this thank you page to say in this space. What you probably do not want to do is to deliver the giveaway on this URL. The reason is that you may or may not necessarily have the person to have opted in. You want them to continue the process, and sometimes if they get the delivery before they finish the confirmation, they may not finish and they may never become part of your list. So the most conservative thing to do is to find one of your templates that basically tells the person to check their email. All you're really going to do is tell them that they've signed up, thank you, and now what they need to do is confirm their subscription. Don't assume that they have done this, and don't assume they know how to do this. You want to make sure that you tell them, and if you even want to go one step further, you can autoplay a video on this page that shows them exactly what they need to do. You'll also typically get the opportunity to add in some more copy. Once again, you are giving them incentive to go and actually get the giveaway. So you want them to go and confirm. And what you're trying to do here on this page is to give them the incentive to go ahead and do what's necessary so they become part of your email marketing list. You're going to notice that there are no social media buttons. There are no more additional offers on this page because we want the client to take this one action. We don't want to distract them from anything that they're going to be doing other than becoming part of our marketing list so that we can continue to market to them. Now, again, you do have the option of sending someone direct to the offer, but you're almost guaranteeing that that person is not then going to be part of your list. So once again, if you're going to do that, just make sure that your testing bears out the fact that it's best for you to show them an offer instead of this thank you page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.